Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning back in. So this video is based on air suspension ride. You know, it's like a ride along with my friend at hashbrown.joy. That's his IG, so make sure you guys follow him. Thanks to him for making this video with him. Is what he's got is stage 2 AirTech. So with them, AirTech is less advanced than airlift, so you'll get more comfort and everything like that, but you can on the AirTech as well. If you get the stage 2 plus, you get more like well equipped for a comfort ride, I would say. So we're riding mid-height right now, like mid-height or stock height, low?
No, it's still lower than stock.
So we're driving lower than stock right now, and it feels a little stiffer. So if we go over potholes or something, we will feel them a bit than you would on a stock suspension. But if you change your ride to higher, right, to like a stock ride, you'll feel them less, right?
Yeah, so basically you have to find it based on weight. If you get anything above stage 2, the weight of the car will automatically adjust itself so the ride isn't as bouncy. But if you just get anything lower, you have to do it based on weight.
I'm getting a phone call. Alright, wait. Alright, so this is a bumpy road, and let's test it out here.
Gotta air up a bit later.
Alright. Oh gosh, alright.
So I can fix
it's bumpy.
if I air up.
Alright.
Jump too much. So now it feels a bit better.
Yeah, a little bit better now because he aired up. Yeah, so he aired up back to stock height?
Yeah, this is typically around stock height. Last one, there you go.
Oh man, that was like a Six Flags roller coaster.
Yeah.
So that was like
And that's not even my ride height. My ride height is much lower, so I slide around on that road.
Yeah, so you kind of...
Yeah, it's went lower, so that...
Yeah, if you're lower and you got airbags, it's a bit stiff, but of course you can make them smooth. If you like, you just have to spend extra.
Extra on the management?
On the management, yes, that's correct. So, I hope that video was helpful. If anything, comment below. And make sure to DM him, because I don't know about his system, about his airbag system setup.
Not answering
He knows.
DMs unless you follow.
Make sure you follow him and DM him. He's got a rule of thumb. Follow before you DM him. Alright guys, peace out until next time. We made a video previously on the AirTech my friend had, and now we're making another video on the airlift right here. So we're riding pretty low right now, right?
Yes.
So we're riding low, and it's actually, I feel a huge difference from AirTech. It's more comfortable. It feels like it's stock and you're just a little bit lower. That's how it feels like. Of course, when you're lowered, you're gonna have suspension difference and stuff like that. So he went over bumps and stuff, but you don't really feel it as much as you feel it in the AirTech. So that's that. And if he increases the ride height to like middle or higher, I'm gonna take the exit. Alright, so pretty much go over bumps and stuff like that. It's fine, it's comfortable, it's not that bad. Because it's super low right now. Look at lowest setup. If you go on like middle or on the full height, it's fine. Yep, bunch of bumps. Looks like a pothole, but it wasn't. But yeah. So that's that. I mean, it's a short video. Just wanted to tell you guys that it's pretty much comfortable. It's not that bad either. Like turning left and right. Go a bit higher. height right now. You're pretty much low, right? Can you go in the middle?
Yeah, I'm in the middle right now.
So
Let me raise it.
Red light camera ahead.
So you can raise it now. All right, and once he raises it, the comfort gets a lot better, like as if you're on stock suspension. Yeah.
Rear K-band.
Yep, super comfortable, guys. So that's it. I would, if you're gonna get an airbag system, I would go with airlift. And that's what I'm gonna get and next spring. So that's the best ride, more comfortable. That's all you guys gotta know. All right, peace out until next time.